Hello everyone, if you are interested in cryptocurrencies and want to get more information about cryptocurrencies, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. So today we have a new project. It's a token, so its name is Warp Money. This is a homepage of Warp Money token. In the top of the website, here is a white paper audit, and click here to buy this token. So I tell you later that how we are buy this token before we are doing a review on this website. So here is some contact and roadmap token. Fast growing project built upon smart contract. Earn passive income by holding Warp Money. This is only on PancakeSwap. You can click here to swap your token from Pancake website. So here is white paper. You can click here to read white paper and download white paper. Live chart here. This is a Telegram account and Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. Why you choose or why I choose Warp Money. So here are some definitions. Warp Money is a innovative, reliable and flexible payment token, fastest project and protected operations in DeFi. The Warp Money ecosystem is built upon smart contract. So here is tokenomics. Also token name is Warp Money token, and total supply here is a lot of money, a lot of amount of total supply, and network is BSC and specification BEP 20, and token symbol is WMW, decimals is 9s. Warp Money is listed by CoinTagger. There are some features: earn passive income by holding Warp Money token, anti-while future to prevent pump dump existing whiles for price movement protecting. Great community. Speak directly to the Warp Money team or chat with our like-minded community. So here is roadmap. In Q2 2021, development Warp Money website token, Warp Money project kickoff, prepare white paper, and Q3 2021 release white paper in public, release the website in public, listing on DEX, public pre-sales and IDO, start fair launch, community holding, start system design, and Q4 2021 listing on CoinTagger, listing on CoinMarketCap, Warp Money store and debits IBO stake voting, centralized exchange Q1 2022, architecting NFT exchange, Warp Money bots, DEX bots, farming bots, Warp Money wallet, Warp Money game, Warp Money exchange, P2P, NFT marketplace. Frequently asked questions. What is Warp Money? Warp Money is a innovative, reliable and flexible payment token, fastest project and protected operations in DeFi. The Warp Money ecosystems is built upon smart contract. So what is tokenomics? Fair launch, LP lock, RUG proof, automatic token payback, legit airdrop, token burn design, distributed to holders 3%, automatic LP 5%, LP swap, BSC, PancakeSwap V2, transaction stacks 2%, and contact. Any questions, reach out to us and we'll get back to you shortly. Join us on Telegram, join us on Twitter. You can click here to join them and get more information on this Telegram channel. Official Warp Money contract address, so I can copy this contract as the letter. This is helpful for me. For the submit your message, add your name and add your email address and add your message to submit. Warp Money is listed by CoinTagger platforms. Before swiping, we are want to see more information about this website like on CoinTagger. So we are open new tab and search here. So this is our previous token GMD. So we want to change this token. Click here to change our link address. So new token is WM. So before we are see here what is the token symbol WMW. So we can add here WMW. So this is our new token WMW. It's mean warp money. So this is in more informations. This is a chart by TradingView, and here is some amounts. You can see here if you are convert your amount, click here, add some amount of WMW, and you can see easily in USD dollars. So this is some transactions and time, price and value. So this is a CoinTagger website. So now how we are swipe this token and which website. So if you are click here to buy, you can easily buy this from PancakeSwap, and this is the second option to click here on PancakeSwap. So we are on PancakeSwap website on exchange page. We are search your name or paste contract address. So we have a contract address, so paste here, and this is our WMW token, and we are successfully add our token with the contract address in this website. So connect your wallet. Before click here to we have a MetaMask wallet. I don't have any insufficient balance in my wallet. Add some BNP. You can see here your BNP amount here. So if you have a BNP balance in your any wallet, you can easily click here to connect your wallet, and you can easily buy from this website. So this was a little bit review of Warp Money token. If you are like our video, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching.